All eyes are on the Samsung Galaxy S24, which is expected to be unveiled in January. This launch is expected to set the tone for all phone launches in 2024. Several leaks and speculations have appeared throughout the months, giving us a taste of what to anticipate from this series. However, owing to an FCC filing and official renders, we now have confirmation on several specifications. The leaked official renders of the Galaxy S24 series are consistent with leaks and even resemble the real-life photograph of the S24 Ultra that surfaced a few days ago. These renders seem to be real. These renders have been provided by Windows Report, along with information on all three future phone specifications, including information on their heat dissipation mechanism. According to the report, the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus would be available in 4 different colors: amber yellow, cobalt violet, marble gray, and onyx black. The Ultra model is expected to have a titanium frame and will be available in 4 color options: titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow. The new features added this year start with the display, which looks to be flat this time. The generated photos show more visible side bezels and a more squared-off design. It's worth noting that all of the next Samsung phones are believed to use vapor chamber heat dissipation technologies. Aside from the pictures, the report also discloses the specifications of the Ultra model. These include a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 engine, a 6.8-inch QHD Plus screen, a 200-megapixel main camera with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 10-megapixel and 50-megapixel options for telephoto shooting at 3x and 5x zoom settings. It's worth noting that Samsung has previously used telephoto lenses with varying zoom settings in its Ultra smartphones. This change to a separate 5x telephoto lens is extremely intriguing. Although the higher resolution may somewhat compensate for it, it is still a change. Leaked specifications also include a 5000 mAh battery capacity, as well as options for 12 gigs of RAM and storage sizes ranging from 256, 512, and up to 1 terabyte. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.